In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mind map in Miro. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone looking to organize your thoughts more effectively, mind mapping is a valuable skill, and Miro is one of the most user-friendly platforms to help you master it. So, let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Miro board homepage. If you're not already familiar with Miro, it's an online collaborative whiteboarding platform that's ideal for brainstorming and planning. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see options to create new boards or access existing ones. Look out for the blank board option and go ahead and click on it to create a fresh canvas for your mind map. Now that you're on the new board, you'll be presented with various templates to choose from. Miro offers a range of templates designed for different purposes. To streamline the process and find exactly what we need, direct your attention to the search bar. Type in mind map. This will swiftly filter through the available options and present you with templates specifically tailored for mind mapping. Once you've selected a mind map template that appeals to you, it's time to start customizing it to fit your needs. Think of the main topic or idea you want to explore and how you want to branch out from there. Miro's tools make it easy to drag, drop, and connect various elements, ensuring your ideas are neatly organized. Here's where the real magic happens: editing the mind map to make it truly yours. You can click on any section to add text, change colors, or even reorganize the branches to better fit your train of thought. Miro allows you to make these adjustments intuitively, so don't be afraid to experiment with different layouts and structures. After all, creativity is at the heart of a great mind map. Perhaps you need some inspiration or want to leverage the power of technology to enhance your mind map. Miro's AI assistant, termed Sidekicks, can be of great help. On the left side of your screen, you'll find a panel. Click on Sidekicks to explore AI-driven suggestions. This feature can bring a new dimension to your brainstorming by suggesting ideas or helping you refine existing ones. Lastly, as you tailor your mind map, don't forget to input specific changes or additional information into individual nodes. By doing so, you can ensure everything is communicated effectively and clearly. Remember, your mind map should be a reflection of how you think, so make sure every little detail is represented in a way that makes sense to you. And there you have it, an easy guide to creating effective mind maps using Miro. By following these steps, you should be able to organize your thoughts and ideas seamlessly, and perhaps even inspire others to do the same. Thanks for watching, and happy mind mapping.